Hi there, my name is Karen, and this is my second ever screencast, and I'm doing it for our Google Classroom class. And today's objective is to show you how to successfully archive a class. When you finish with a class at the end of a semester or the end of a year, many times you don't want to keep seeing those classes when you set up for the new school year. So an easy way to do that is to use this function called archive. And for example, this is a class I taught last year, period 8, semester 2, called Introduction to Classic Film. I have a different page for it this year. But sometimes I want to go back and see what I've done, so I want to archive it so I don't fully delete it. And that way I can refer back to it when I need it. So the way to archive a class, what you'll do is you start on this page and you'll see, I was surprised that the gear did not give me an option to archive. So you actually need to go over to these 3 lines and go to see your classes. When you get to this screen, this is where you can actually do some work. And when you see the 3 little dots, if you click on that, it simply says archive. And then I hit the archive button. It says you and your students won't be able to make changes. You can view this class in archived classes in the classroom menu. And so do you want to do that? And of course I want to say, okay, archive that class. And you notice that it goes away. It's no longer on my desktop. So if I'd want to go back to it later, I could go into archived classes and I could see the classes that I've archived in the past, and I could click on it and I could bring it back, but using this little restore key, and then I hit the restore key, and then my class is back where it is. I hope that this has helped. Thanks so much for watching.